Curious if MagSafe charges faster than traditional wireless charging? In this video, we'll break down the factors that impact charging speeds and help you understand if MagSafe is worth the upgrade. First, let's clarify what MagSafe is. MagSafe is Apple's proprietary charging technology that uses magnets to align the charger perfectly with your iPhone for efficient charging. How does MagSafe stack up against other charging methods? Let's break it down. MagSafe holds a clear advantage over traditional Qi wireless charging. Thanks to its magnetic alignment, MagSafe offers faster and more efficient power transfer. This precision translates to quicker charging times, making MagSafe a top choice for those who need speed on the go. When pitted against wired Lightning charging, MagSafe is competitive. Although wired charging may have a slight edge in raw speed, MagSafe isn't far behind. The convenience of wireless charging, combined with MagSafe's efficiency, makes it a solid alternative for those who value ease of use. USB-C PD charging is known for its rapid charging capabilities, especially for high-powered devices. While MagSafe might not hit the peak speeds of USB-C PD, it remains impressively competitive. The balance of speed, precise alignment, and wireless convenience makes MagSafe a strong contender for most users. When considering how fast MagSafe charges, it's clear that it offers impressive speeds, particularly when compared to Qi wireless and wired Lightning charging. Although USB-C PD may edge out in terms of raw speed, MagSafe's overall efficiency and user-friendly design make it a compelling choice for a seamless and fast charging experience. If you're looking for top-notch MagSafe charging options for your Apple devices, here are two standout choices: Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe. This compact and portable charger is designed for maximum convenience and performance. It offers seamless magnetic alignment using Apple's MagSafe technology, delivering fast and stable 15 watts charging to your iPhone. Beyond that, it features a built-in wireless charging pad for your Apple Watch and AirPods, allowing you to charge all your devices simultaneously. With an adjustable viewing angle of up to 60 degrees, it's perfect for any scenario, whether you're at home or on the go. The Anker 3-in-1 Cube with MagSafe is a reliable and efficient charging solution. Anker 737 MagGo Charger. This charging station provides a seamless experience with its 15 watts high-speed MagSafe module, charging your iPhone 14 Pro Max to 50% in just 47 minutes. It accommodates your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, keeping your devices organized and ready to go. The 360 degrees adjustable viewing angle allows for both portrait and landscape mode, making it versatile for any use. Compact and space efficient. The Anker 737 MagGo Charger is an ideal addition to your travel kit or tech setup. When evaluating how fast MagSafe charges, several key factors come into play that can impact the speed of the process. Let's break down these critical elements. The wattage of your MagSafe charger significantly impacts charging speed. Higher wattage means more power is delivered to your device, leading to faster charging times. Different iPhone models handle power intake differently. Newer models are optimized for faster charging, making them quicker to charge with MagSafe. As your battery gets closer to full, charging speeds naturally slow down. This helps prevent overheating and preserves the long-term health of your battery. Proper alignment with the iPhone's magnets is crucial for efficient charging. Any misalignment can slow down the charging process, making it essential to ensure a good connection. Extreme temperatures can affect charging speed. In hot or cold conditions, your device might slow down charging to protect the battery and internal components. By considering these factors, charger wattage, iPhone model, battery level, alignment, and temperature, you can better understand the nuances that influence MagSafe charging speeds and optimize your charging experience. In the end, whether you're choosing a MagSafe charger for its speed, convenience, or reliability, understanding how it works and what to look for can make all the difference. We hope this video has helped clear up any questions you had about MagSafe charging. Thanks for watching.